Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Tab S10 Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first two pop-ups. Then wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, you need to wait. And when your transfer is done, close an ad. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. So misclick. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!